Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing good in the stock market. First of all, let me go ahead and thank all my subscribers, the new guys and the old one. Guys, thank you. Thank you for your support. I'm not gonna forget that support. I know it is very important for the channel. So today I want to talk about an update on Coca-Cola. What have gone up with Coca-Cola? So Coca-Cola, is it a fake breakout or is it just a pullback? Let's get into it and let's see what is going on. Coca-Cola, I did a quick review few weeks ago and I talked about Coca-Cola and I was saying in that review that Coca-Cola was setting up for a breakout. The breakout did happen, but it was a kind of fake breakout. So are we getting back in a pullback or is it gonna keep dropping? We don't know. So let's go onto the chart and see what is going on. I always base my decision on the chart. That's where you can find the truth. Okay, let's get into this quickly. So few weeks ago the review was right here and I was talking about Coca-Cola. It's like a week and 2 3 days ago. So I said Coca-Cola was setting up for a breakout and we got out of this ascending triangle. Then Coca-Cola tried multiple times, like 3 days, and end up breaking above this resistance. So this yellow arrow was the day that I was pointing this out. So Coca-Cola did broke above it like 3 days ago. But what happened since that day? Coca-Cola stopped dropping. So if you look at it, we have three red bar down. So is Coca-Cola finding a support right here? I don't know. Will it come till down here to find a support? I don't know. That's what we will be talking about today. It's a quick update on Coca-Cola because tomorrow is Thursday. The market will be open as well. So if you have this update available, you can trade Coca-Cola tomorrow and make few hundreds of dollars if you are brave enough to do it. Okay, so here's my point about Coca-Cola, right? The review that we did, Coca-Cola, I said it, Coca-Cola keep hitting this resistance. What do you want to learn from this? This is telling you that there are key levels in the market, and those key levels are sometimes respected, right? It translates the sentiment of people. Let me explain something to you. The stock of Coca-Cola after the earning drops huge down here. So the stock went down. Then it find a support around this area, right? I didn't draw that line. I just got in this triangle. So the support at this area. So people bought around here. Some people bought here. That's the sentiment of the market. I want to teach you something quick about this update. Okay, people bought here. The stock went up, it came down, went up again, hit this resistance, came down, went up again, then break above this, and then here we were like 3 days ago. Then what happened? The stock dropped. What did that mean? It means that some people held the stock till around this breakout. So I told you guys when I was doing the review about Coca-Cola, I said this is a sensitive zone. This resistance is sensitive zone when the stock couldn't have that momentum to go forward, it stopped dropping because of what? People that bought at the bottom, they don't want to lose their profit, they start selling. That's the panic. It's a sign of panic. But here's the thing, this is another chance for some other people to get in the stock if Coca-Cola were pulling back. So because some people they hesitated, they didn't get in this. So I'm not gonna chase it. So now it's coming back, they might get in this level. If Coca-Cola does not respect this support, this was a resistance, now it might become a support if Coca-Cola bounce off this. But if it doesn't, it might become another resistance because Coca-Cola will drop below it and have to break above this. So people might get in again on this because they got this pullback and they must, okay, this is a chance for me to get in the train and ride the train and break above this and let's go higher. So That is one case. The next case, Coca-Cola might keep coming down and hit the support again, and it might respect this support. So these are the two levels that I will be watching. But if we open tomorrow higher, it means that Coca-Cola is bouncing of this support. That's simple. That's how you do your technical analysis. And I said this a lot of time that I'm a naked trader. You know what do that mean? I'm a free trader. I don't use a lot of indicators. I use my own trend lines to do my analysis, and it worked out for me always because I'm seeing the chart naked. Everything is there. I can see what the stock is doing. I can see the pattern in the stock. This is what I'm trying to teach people on my channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell and you will get more of this review. So I'm not done yet, okay? I want to explain something to you about Coca-Cola. Many people will ask me, "Oh, why do you just do some review on just some stocks? You don't do review on some other stock." You know what? In the stock market, you have to focus and you have to find your niche. There are certain stock that you will be trading for a little while and you will know how they move. So you will take advantage on those moves and make couple hundred of bucks every day. Okay, one of my friend, I'm sure he will be online right now. I don't think if he's online, but he subscribed to my channel, so he know what I'm talking about. Coca-Cola, I have a history with this stock. This stock is one of those stocks that I bought when I started trading. So once I bought the stock, like few weeks, the stock did appreciate. So what I did, I took my profit. Since then, I got stuck with Coca-Cola. So I know how Coca-Cola move a little bit. I'm not gonna say 100%, at least 50 to 70%. I know how Coca-Cola move, and when I'm trading it, I always have patience because you don't want to rush it. And I told you guys in some of my video that there are certain dates that you guys have to track to know how stock will move, because those dates they are really important. Okay, so Coca-Cola, I do have an history with it. So I got stuck with it since then, and I know how this stock move a little bit. You too, you need a niche. You need some stock in your watch list that you will be following for years. Then you know those stocks. You don't want to be jumping around on stocks every day. I do got some stock out of my scanner in the morning, but in my watch list, I have a scanner on my watch list. So my watch list is scanned every day so I can see new stock in my watch list that are having momentum. So this trade on Coca-Cola, this move that Coca-Cola were about to make, the breakout failed. So Coca-Cola is pulling back on this support. So keep your eyes on this area. It might bounce back because the market was high today, and I noticed something about Coca-Cola. When the market is going high, 50% Coca-Cola is going down. I don't know why. Anytime I'm trading Coca-Cola, I notice like when the market is going higher, Coca-Cola is going lower at 50%. That's why I noticed. So when you are trading a stock for a little while, you will know how the stock behaves. So these are the key levels that I will be watching. And I said it already, key levels, they are very important. If you didn't know that this area was a resistance, you might still be in the trade. I traded Coca-Cola a few days ago and I took a quick profit and I got out. The reason is I knew that this area, this key level, this resistance is very important. If we couldn't break above it and continue higher, we might drop, we might pull back and find a momentum at this support and keep going higher again. So those are the two things that I suggested, and one happened, and it was the pullback. The breakout didn't sustain itself, so the stock pullback. So that was a quick review on Coca-Cola. So keep watching these key levels. Coca-Cola might reverse again, and with a huge momentum. If you see the trend is going up. So now we are having a new trend that is wedging up. Let me show you, okay? So here is the new trend that Coca-Cola is forming. Is a wedge up. You see, it's going in a channel. Hold on, let me take this out of the way. So Coca-Cola is going in a channel. So it might keep going higher. You see, trend lines that come to you, you can draw them. All those lines you see on this, they are my own drawing, okay? I don't use a lot of indicators. I see the chart naked and I trade my chart the way I see it. I hope you have learned something from this. And I don't think if I have to do this, but hold on, let me do this so you guys will see something. Because many of the time, I told people that, stock trading, if you invest in the market, right, the market always is always going up. Hold on, let me show you something about the stock market. So see how Coca-Cola were. You see, Coca-Cola, where was this? It was at 0.71 cent. And see where Coca-Cola is right now. So this is a lot. This is it, it is a lot. Imagine you put your money in the market. You'll be making money. The market is always up. I hope you have learned something. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.